this, so whatever I say, whatever comes out is what's gonna come out, I don't know. Okay, that'll be nice. Okay, so, all right, ladies, referrals. Why do you get referrals at your parties? Here's one of the reasons. I'm gonna give you some different thought processes behind it, and you can take notes on this. And then I want you each to grab a note card because you're actually gonna write down the exact script. And what I've done is I've actually paper clipped it into my instructor's guide. Now the company is coming out with a flip chart very soon in August. And so, you know, maybe they will have this referral script in there. I'm praying that they will. But right now, you don't have this script in your instructor's guide. You guys do great parties. You guys know the skincare. But the two things that I really want you to focus on is getting referrals, your table close, and individual close. It's basically your opening, your middle, and end of your parties that are the most important things. What you say in the middle is put it on, take it off, how does it feel? Put it on, take it off, how does it feel? The product sells itself. So in the beginning, you guys, let me just go back a little bit. In the beginning of the party, you do introductions. And what I do is I piggyback this when I'm doing satin hands and satin lips. So as I'm doing satin hands and satin lips and they're demoing it, I'm going around the table and asking everybody what their name is, what they do in or outside of the home, affirm their hostess, and tell me one thing they want to change about their life. And I always laugh and I say, I'm not a therapist, don't tell me your whole life story. And I tell them then, you know, and then I have them all do that where we go to the sink, we come back, and then I share my eye story. And so with your eye story, you guys, what I've learned recently is to really share about how you've grown as a person. You can share about the money, you can share about the cars, you can share about why you started Mary Kay. But women these days are really looking to grow their confidence. So at my last couple parties, I've been really sharing about how I've grown as a person, that the person you see today is not the person that I was 18 years ago when I started Mary Kay. And then I tell them the agenda of the party. Okay, today, this is your first of 2 appointments. Did you guys say that in the beginning? This is key. You are setting them up for that follow-up appointment. So this is your first of 2 appointment, ladies. Yes, you get to hang out with me at least twice, if you're lucky, you know, and make jokes about it. You know, you are amazing. People want to be in your space. So this is the first of 2 appointments. Today we're going to focus on skincare. We're going to do lips and lashes. I call it a dash out the door look. We're going to play a game. Tell them that you're going to play a couple games, okay? We're going to play a couple games today, and I brought some prizes. And then at the end, I'm going to tell you how much everything costs. Guess what? You can take it home today because I have everything with me. And you're not obligated to purchase anything, but my trunk is loaded. And then we're going to sit individually because I believe blemishes and budgets are personal, wouldn't you? And notice how many times I'm nodding my head. So let me just go over that again. This is recorded so you can watch it again and again. But in the beginning, there's a lot of things that you're saying. You're setting up the agenda for your party. Introductions during satin hands and lips, share your eye story, really talk about how you've grown as a person versus the material things you've gotten, but kind of weed it all in there, okay? Leave it all. And then you tell them what you're gonna do. This is your first of 2 appointments. What we're gonna focus on today, skincare, lips and lashes, simple dash out the door. We're gonna play a couple games. I'm gonna sit individually with you at the end because I believe blemishes and budgets are personal. When I started saying those things, I started doing the parts of the party because I'm a woman of my word. And if I made myself, you guys, this is the key. I would rather make myself say the right words and be disciplined than have to go back and redo appointments. Is it always easy? No. But I will curl my fingers, I will dig my fingernails into my hand and make myself say these words so that I am having that individual consultation. See, if I say it out loud, I have to do it. I have to do it, okay? So then you go through your sheet, you know, go through your book. This is all in the Gelzer National Area app. My video is on there, okay? My kitchen coaching is on there. I start to play the follow-up game right away. And I put a star at the bottom of every page so that they can remember. Follow-up, make up things, but play follow-up. If somebody hears it 7 times, they will schedule a follow-up appointment. Well, Nikki, what do I get to do at my follow-up? Remember, it's your first of 2 appointments. At your second appointment, I'm gonna focus more on glamour, but I'm still gonna do a checkup from the neck up. And I'm gonna make sure that you love your products because it's 100% guaranteed. When was the last time you went to the store and you bought a dress and somebody followed up with you to make sure you loved it? Never. You guys, you have to relate to people. Let them know that that follow-up is very special. And I tell them that they get me again and we'll get to try more products. Okay, so then you go through you go through your miracle set. You talk about page 6 and 7. You go through this. You talk about the different products. Now, I have this in the middle. I talk about 12 and 13. I have them do microderm on the back of their hand. I go through these little things, and then you guys, before I get to color, now I've even started doing this before I get to the foundation primer, if you demo that, and the CC cream, which I demo. So before any glamour, so to speak, okay? So what I've been doing at this point is I've been asking them questions about what we've tried so far. And I can give tickets for just remembering. What was the first thing we did when we came in? Satin hands and satin lips. Awesome, you get a ticket. You were the first one to answer. Then, what did we use on our eyes? Oil-free eye makeup remover. You get a ticket. Then what? So kind of review before you play this game. Because see, then you're getting them into the ticket mode. So that's what I started doing recently, and it's kind of fun. And so I'm reviewing the skincare sets because that's what I want to sell, right? Those are the most important things to sell. So before I do the primer, CC cream, lips, and lashes, I say, okay, before we put on our protector, we're going to play a game. And you could do this after CC cream, is totally up to you. But I tend to do it before because then, well, I'll explain that. Okay, so then I say, grab your cell phones. Take out your note cards. This is where you're gonna put the script. Ready? Okay, grab this. Number 1 is grab your cell phones. It's time for a game. They're going to do that. While they're doing that though, I hand back their profile cards and I have them fill out the 3 questions on the back. The reason I started playing this game before foundation, primer, and CC cream is I found I was selling a lot of foundation primer and a lot of CC cream and not a lot of skincare sets. So I started playing this game and these 3 questions because if you look at the back of your profile card, 8, 9, and 10 says, what do you use to wash your face? Out of all the products you tried today, what would you like to take home? What's on your wish list? They haven't tried those other 4 products yet. And so I started selling less of those, more of miracle sets, and then at their follow-up, they're buying more things. Does that make sense? So that's just what I started doing recently. Okay, so so they're filling out. So I say, okay, before you guys all have your cell phones ready, great. We're gonna use those in a minute, but I want them to be ready. Okay, fill out 8, 9, and 10 on the back of your profile card. So number 1 is grab your cell phones. Number 2, fill out 8, 9, and 10 on the back of your profile card. That's number 2. Okay, number 3, here is your script. Ready? We are going to play a game. And you guys, it doesn't matter what women are in front of you, they all love prizes. So I usually bring at least 2 prizes, one for the follow-up game, like a mini, section 2 item or section 1 item, It could be the beauty blotters. Those are great little prizes. Those are $3 wholesale. And then another game for the tickets, okay? So I say, we are going to play a game. Look at number 11. And this is just the next number on their profile card. And it has a list, there's 7 spaces. It says name and phone number. So I say, we are going to play a game. Look at number 11. And I say there are 7 lines